says, open me if you dare. I dare. How many grocery bags are in here, Austin? 500?
Something like that.
How come you wanted me to open mine first? You should open yours first.
Because yours is better.
Oh, okay. Sheesh, you got this wrapped good enough. I can't even get into it. Jeepers. Oh, yeah, I can use them. Good, I got cereal. Austin, I can't get into it.
You need a knife?
Nah. We wonder why we never have no duct tape around here. Yep, look at all the garbage bags. Then we're all going back where you got them. Oh my gosh. Yay! Look at all the yarn he got me. I'm so excited. What's these? Ah, that candy? Cold rocks. You put my rocks in there. Put rocks in there. Oh, you got me needles. Well, thank you. Awesome.
That's not all.
Needles and yarn.
Take them all out.
More needles. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Yes, I always need needles. Yay.
Now you don't have to worry about losing it all the time.
No. Awesome. I might try to make those scarves. Sweet. Thank you so much. I love it.
You're welcome.
You